Hello, and welcome to the Black Box Studio Camera Skills Test. My name's Tyler, and I'll be your host for today. First things first, we're going to start off by opening the camera bag very carefully on a flat surface. Now we're going to take out the camera and make sure the strap is out of the way. Now you can gently place the camera on a flat surface, take out the lens, and place it next to the camera. Next up is the battery pack and SD card. This is the Canon EOS R6 camera. In my opinion, it's one of the better cameras to use for film and photography. And this is a 25 to 105mm lens. Click on the small button on the right side marked Bat Open to open the battery port. Remove the battery from its charging port and insert the battery until you hear a click, and close it back. Now you're going to turn the camera on its side. It will be marked with the words card open. Take the SD card out of its plastic protective case and insert the SD card in one of the slots. Now you can place the SD card case and battery charging port back into its proper bag. Now you're going to remove the lens cap from in front of the camera and now the lens cap from the back of the lens. The most important part of attaching the lens to the camera is to notice the red dot on the camera itself. Make sure to turn it counterclockwise until you hear a click to make sure that it is locked and secure. Now you're going to turn the camera on and open your viewfinder screen. Now press the word menu to access more options. When you open the menu, it should start on the camera icon by default. Select the wrench icon, then choose Format Card. Select the slot your card is in, press OK, and your card will be formatted. Remove the front lens cap from the camera. Under my index finger controls the aperture, how much the lens opens and closes, determining the amount of light entering the camera. The dial under your thumb controls the ISO, which adjusts the camera's sensitivity to light, essentially determining how bright or dark an image will appear. To give you full control over your shots, I'll be teaching you how to use the camera in manual mode. This is one of the safest tripods that I have used in many of the CT classes here. It's reliable and strong and lightweight. What you're going to want to do first is bring the legs of the tripod out all the way and then back out until you hear a click to make sure it's locked. This dial here helps you to move the tripod head up or down so that you have more control depending on how tall your subject is. This knob allows for panning left and right. This knob allows for tilting up and down. And this knob tightens and loosens the lever, which should always be facing you. The plate which the camera rests on top of has a knob that tightens and loosens, and a release button to take it off the tripod head. The plate has an arrow underneath that tells you which way the lens should be facing. You're going to put the plate underneath the camera and screw it in. Now you're going to slide it on top of the tripod head, then tighten the knob on the left side to make sure it's secure. You're ready to film. Congratulations on completing the Black Box Studio Camera Skills Test. Have fun filming!